Well, maybe that wasn't 2 seconds, but... And I lied, I'm not going to do Beatles yet, I'm going to do the Beatles last. So let's do, in the tradition of Ant last week, some Canadian content. Calgary band, Stampeders. This is a fun one. Sweet City Woman. Now, the voicing probably still isn't high enough, but what do you want? It's done on a banjo, not a Merlin. So we've been doing this chord quite a bit lately. It's your D, but it's your higher voicing D. So, 4th, 3rd, 2nd. Right. So it is kind of a funky rhythm to the song, just practice at it. So the way I'm doing that, I'm playing because I want to keep that rhythm going, right? But I'm just pushing down where the notes go. So I always have them the fingers in the right position, but I'm not putting pressure on them until I need them. So that's your first bit. So you got a little pull off. You do that with your pinky on your 4th fret. Then you go to your E chord. It's actually an E minor, but it's Merlin, it's an E. So you do the same thing. So. To your open D. So that most of the song is 2 chords, just 2 different voicings. Your D, your E, your D. So you hold the first D for 4 bars, count of 4. Then your E, you hold 8, count of 8. That counting is something, if you're just starting out, you'll get to the spot where, like when I did the Copperhead Roads video, that one, you just keep going and going and going. When you think you need to change, you gotta hold it. And the reason I said that is because as a player, you get so in tune to certain rhythms and certain timings that to get yourself out of that is a pain sometimes. But you'll eventually, it's like an internal clock, you'll get it where you don't even need to count, it's just you know by what you're doing. So that's pretty much most of the song right there. Wrong spot. So first one. Now there's a doot 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 part. So for that you play the D and do a little strumming like that again. So. The way I do it to get that timing, just because it is kind of strange, is I'm doing the doot doot doots in my head. And everywhere there's a doot is where I hit a strum. So that's all open D. To the G, to the D with your second fret and back to the open. And you do that twice. After the second time, it does hold on. Is that what they say? Hold on, hold. It's a bunch of times. So that's just, you keep going from your G to your D with your second. So it's. Need a new pick. That's Sweet City 1. Like I said in previous videos, that works for so many songs. Where's my pick? You know, if you're not sure in the timing, you're not sure on where things go. If you're not a singer like me, because it's bad, hum it in your head. Just keep it going in your head, and that will help you with where you need to go. Sweet City Woman. 2 more to do today. Maybe more. We'll see. Have fun. We'll see you guys next time.